Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this DW087 line laser. Here we are, the DW087 2009 model. If you take a look down here, you'll see what's the issue. I don't know if you can see that properly, but the spring terminals down there are all rusted up. If they're not too bad, you can clean them with sandpaper, but I think these is too far gone, so we're going to have to take more drastic action. For us, it's a replaceable part, and you can buy this. I'll try and remember to put a link in the description and put it in the comments section. So we have to replace that, and that should sort it. I don't do much laser work, so this is all pretty new to me as well, so I'll just get into it. T10 torch hold this together. It's the 4 T10 screws out there now, so we should be able to separate this, I believe. And that was easy. Having a look at this, I can see what I have to do. I have to melt this hot glue off, cut this wire, push that out, and push the new one on from here. So that's that. That's the old part removed now. It's as simple as that. And all I got to do is push the new one on. You can see the difference if I compare the two. One's rusty, one's not. But if you haven't got a new one of these, you can clean that up with sandpaper and do what I'm going to do, just put it in and resolder it. Those tabs nicely into place. I'm sure it's all the way home. Now we have the wire resoldered and reattached there. What we have to do is re-glue these two tabs so they don't move. I just noticed the door's pretty bad too, so I'm going to have to clean up the corrosion on that. That's cleaned up, but it's pretty wore down, so I'm going to have to put wee points of solder here to act as battery tabs. So with that done, I'll try the batteries on now. Here we go now, we'll give her a little try. Here we are. I'm calling that fixed. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.